ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we mentioned when the price was here, if you mention if you want to look for buy, either we should wait for the correction here. Now this is what we get. Either we need to wait for the more complex correction or we can buy from here. But okay, now we need to look at this. Okay, the first thing is if we want to look for buy from here, if we get the flag here, maybe we can have entry above the top. But having entry above the top is very risky. Easily priced can tag and reverse. It depends on the traders. But what we want price, if we want to have entry above the top, we want the price tag, break and continue. I mean the break and continue. We see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving. We shouldn't be with the trade. We should take out the trade. But right now we cannot have entry above the top unless we get a small correction flag here. And if there is a continuation from here, any breakout above this, the next flag we can look for buy. Or we wait for to get one more drop, at least we get a flat or more complex correction for continuation. No, the thing is we still be looking at the buy from this correction. And the thing is if we get any buy with the breakout of this top, with the breakout of this top, we have to start to manage it. And even if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned if there is a continuation from here, if we didn't get the more complex correction, we have to wait for the breakout of this top. Any flag we can look, then from there we can look for buy. That's why if we get any sharp move with the flag, mostly the price will be above this. It doesn't matter. But if you want to buy within this, if we get the flag here, then we can have entry as I explained. All right. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we want the price to break this top. Okay, we want to see how high this one can go, whether the price can break this top or not. Okay, this is the only things because now we're looking at this correction. If there is a continuation, is good. But if the price tag the top, this is not moving, it start to correct, may this one turn to internal correction. Either we get the deeper correction or reversal. Okay, that's why we need to, when the price come to the previous top, the highest price, we need to be quite careful because simply the price can tag, then this one turn to internal correction and we get one more drop as a running flat for before we get the continuation. All right, this is what we need to bear in mind if we want to look for buy. And if we move to forward chart, in our analysis we keep pointing on may this one turn to expanding for one more drop. All right, we are not looking for the down move. The only thing is I want to mention, if you want to look for trade here, we need to be quite careful. Okay, and right now based on forward chart we have correction. If this correction doesn't give us a proper trade for continuation, the only ways if we want to trade, we trade based on 1 hour chart as I explained. And in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share. Okay, thanks.